Welcome to Kama Capital. In this video, we will see how to log into your trading account and how to switch between trading account. After launching MetaTrader 5, click File from the top left corner and select Open a new account from the drop-down menu. Now search for Kama Capital LLC and select it as your server. Select the Connect with the existing trade account and enter your login ID, which you can find in your portal under My Account, and then select Account List. The password will be the same as your portal password. Finally, hit Finish. If successful, you will hear a confirmation chime. You have now logged into MT5 with your trading account. Now to switch between different MT5 trading accounts, click on File and select Login to Trade Account to sign into your new trading account. Enter the login credentials for your new trading account and make sure that the server is on Kama Capital, then click OK, and that's it. Next time, you can make switching quicker by ticking Save Password. Trade like a pro with Kama Capital.